going to be like a 70-mile boat ride. I'm gonna go on the top and enjoy the ride. We're stopping to get fuel, and I got a popsicle, and the total thing is probably going to be $200 or $300 times two of this boat. We're going to a rock to go fishing. It's right here where the thing is, so we're going to try to get over there. One of our motors are overheating, so we're just fishing here, and we're trying to catch fish. We caught a fish.
What is it?
I don't know.
It's a fish.
The fish.
Hold him.
Nice one.
See you later.
Is this for you?
Yeah, there's two. It's a teeny tiny, put two on it.
This thing's huge. Which fishing pole am I going to use? Taylor's. That's Taylor's?
Did you lock it back up?
Yeah. Don't grab that. Let me cast it up. Oh, my. Stand up. I'm trying. Stand up. I want to wash out. Go to the back. Yeah. Hold on to the thing, Bryn. Remember? Past you. Not that stupid.
Whoa. Don't put that shrimp in my mimosa.
Well, shrimp mimosa, Mom? Where is it?
It's right in front of us. We're going to float right over it. Oh, there's a ton of bait fish there.
There's a ton of bait fish where?
In front of the boat. Tons and tons. Just let us float.
What'd you catch? Whoa! What is that?
That might be a baby hammerhead.
A baby hammerhead. Oh, he's mad.
Oh, it's a lizard fish.
What is it?
It's a lizard fish.
Nasty little thing.
Ooh, it is.
Yeah, can I show Bryn?
That's what she's swimming with?
So, on our way to Anclote, that didn't really work out because of this motor. It kept overheating, but this one worked perfectly fine. This one just stopped working, and then my dad had to take it off and stuff like that and fix it. But he got it working again, so that's how. And we're just near Homosassa scalloping. And then we got this my sister got this starfish for the third time. And these two scallops, which we're gonna put in the bucket. I just put them in the bucket, And we might put the starfish in the bucket. And we're gonna put the starfish in the bucket. My sister just caught a starfish and a scallop, and we're in like 8 feet of water.
Right? 3, 2, 1.